Well, yeah, I'm painting. Trying to paint anyway, the trim in our bedroom. It's we had a little issue about a month ago where our house is very, very old. So the plaster in our bedroom, 4 by 4 foot section, fell down. So we had to have the ceiling replaced in our bedroom. And I told Nancy, while we got everything out of here, let's just paint it all up. Let's put a new floor in. Let's make it look nice. So when we come back from Colorado, we'll have a nice bedroom to come back to here. So, yeah, so today I'm painting. I got my painter's hat on, my painting shirt on, which says Gospel Music Summit on it from a festival I played many years ago. And just trying to do a little trim work. From what I can see, it looks like it's going to take 2 coats of paint just to cover everything where the trim is. But oh well, you do what you have to do, and that's all you can do. So, but anyhow, I tell you what, I'm going to put this down. We're going to go downstairs, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit down there. So, so hold on while I put all this away, and we'll get talking downstairs. Oh, that's better. So, yeah, we've been doing a lot of work on our house, trying to get it ready for when we travel. We just came back from a little break down in North Carolina, so I'll have some videos out on that. We're done with all of our videos from last year when we were out in Colorado. We will be making new videos this year while we're out there. As a matter of fact, we leave probably around June 1st to head out west. I've got my little calendar here. We're still looking for a place to minister on June 5th. June 12th, we'll be in La Junta for 2 services there. The evening service, if you're hungry, we're having a barbecue before the evening service. That starts at 5. That's La Junta First Assembly in La Junta, Colorado. And then June 19th, we'll be at West Assembly in Fowler, Colorado for both services. June 22nd, we will be at Cowboy Christian Fellowship at Rend United Methodist Church in Longmont, Colorado. That starts at 7. On June 25th, we will be at Journey and Assembly of God Fellowship in Torrington, Wyoming for an evening service of singing and preaching. And then on June 26th, we will also be at Journey in Torrington for the morning service there. Then July 3rd, we will be at Fruita Assembly of God in Fruita, Colorado. July 10th, we'll be at Rifle Assembly of God in Rifle, Colorado. Morning services for both of those. And we're still looking for a place to minister on July 17th and July 24th. So keep those dates in mind. If you know of any place or have any suggestions, you can put it in the comments or you can message me about those. But we're excited about going west again. And this year we will be gone, it looks like, about 2 months. We're still praying and believing God for a camper. If things work out, I'm hoping when we leave here to go by Rice, Texas. That's where the plant that makes the Casita campers are. And if things work out, maybe order us a camper. You never know. But we shall see how God leads on that. But we do covet your prayers. We do thank you. We have 2 supporters now that help us out. Their monthly support helps our travels for this summer for Colorado. They provide us with a little bit each month, and we set that aside, and that money goes out west with us to help us on our travels out west. So we do have 2 supporters for that now. But thanks for watching. Thumbs up, comments, and please forward these YouTube videos to other people. Get them to subscribe. Get them to watch these videos. I don't necessarily make them for my own pleasure, though I do enjoy making them. but it's for those people who can't travel like we can, who can't make it out west, who want to see the sights that we see out there. So that's the reason we make these videos. But keep us in your prayers. And again, thanks so much for being there for us, and put out the comments out there and put the word out about our videos. Thanks, and God bless.